Namaskar. Welcome to my channel Word of Health. My small channel is ready to tell you infinitely big things, scientific things, which nobody is in a position to tell you. Rather, most of the people don't dare to tell you, don't dare to tell you. And I am going to tell you that. Today, I am going to tell you Corona is a atomic bomb. Corona is a atomic bomb of fear. Corona is a atomic bomb of fear. You will be surprised. And this atomic bomb is being controlled by remote control. And this remote control is in the hand of few in this world. Corona is an atomic bomb of fear. It's a fact. It's a reality. People realize it or not. It's their baby. But the fact is fact. People all over the world, they are not daring to tell you that. Even if the people know, few people, they don't dare to tell you. So this Corona is an atomic bomb of fear. And the remote control of this atomic bomb is in the hand of few people in this world. Now, what they are doing? They are trying to, or they are exploding the segments, different segments as per their need. Which way they can profit, which way they can befool the public and all that. The remote control is there in the hand of few, and they are exploding every segment as per the need, as per the timings and all that. No. The common man of the world, the common man of the world is in the grip of that fear, squeezed with fear from all sides. If at all a common man want to go out of that, nobody will let you. The system, the city, the government, the working places, they don't let you. Because the grip is so much tightened by those people, they made a common man of the whole world miserable. Miserable. Now again, being an individual, when we know this is the fact, but still we are in the grip of that, we can stay with zero fear. Anything, fever, cough, cold, is a regular one. It's a regular virus. So we will treat it like that. I did tell it in my other videos also, and I am repeating it again. So they have made the grip so tight that people, if even they want, they can't come out. So what we can do? We can keep in our head zero fear, no fear. It is nothing. It is a created atomic bomb with some very big purpose by very few people or countries. Whatever they want to do, they are doing it. That's why we can be careful with hot water at the time of bed, hot water in the morning, hot water with salt, Himalayan salt, the pink salt, gargles and all that, fresh tea, fresh green tea or other tea mixed. And if we can get some jaggery, the good in Hindi, we can mix that in the water of tea water, hot tea water and jaggery that we can drink, and we can stay safe. Now I am going to tell this in Hindi. ये कोरोना एटम बॉम्ब है, डर का एटम बम बना दिया है उन्होंने, और इसके कुछ कंट्रोलर्स हैं जो रिमोट कंट्रोल उनके हाथ में है. They are sitting in some countries or some materialistic powers and all that. तो ये रिमोट कंट्रोल जहाँ जहाँ जब जब वो उन्होंने इस फियर को एक्सप्लोड करना है, वहाँ वहाँ एज पर देर जैसे उनकी ज़रूरत है नीड कर रहे हैं. पूरी दुनिया इस डर के ग्रिप में फंसी हुई है. अगर वो बाहर आना भी चाहती है तब भी नहीं आ सकती. ना उसको सिटी आने देगा, ना स्टेट आने देगी, ना कंट्री आने देगी, ना सिस्टम आने देगा. उसको उसके बीच में ऐसा फंसा लिया है. अब आम आदमी क्या कर सकता है? हमें अपने दिमाग में ज़ीरो फियर रखना है. तो हम बच गए. हमने ज़ीरो फियर रखा तो ये जो जब हम सोचते हैं कि ये चीज़ है और हमें उसका डर है, दैट विल ऑटोमेटिकली कम इनटू आवर सिस्टम. वो चीज़ें जब हमारे डर होगा तो वो चीज़ें अपने आप जुकाम ये वो सब लगना शुरू हो जाएगा. इट इज़ ऑटोमेशन. ये एक अपने आप घटने वाली चीज़ है. डर क्रिएट कर देता है उन चीज़ों को. अब हमने क्या करना है? हमने बिल्कुल ज़ीरो डर कि ये कुछ है ही नहीं, लेकिन फिर भी प्रिकॉशन रखनी है. हॉट वाटर एट द टाइम ऑफ बेड, इन द मॉर्निंग, इन बिटवीन some hot tea, salted water, gargle and all that, that's it. But हमें याद रखना है कि ये कोरोना एटॉमिक बम की शेप में, एटॉमिक बॉम्ब ऑफ फियर, डर के एटॉमिक बॉम्ब की तरह उन्होंने क्रिएट किया है और हमें इसको समझना चाहिए. बट एट दिस टाइम, इस टाइम पे इसमें से निकलना बहुत मुश्किल है. ओनली जब तक कि हम ज़ीरो ना कर दें, डर को ज़ीरो कर दें, तभी निकल सकते हैं. बट in the coming days, when the things will come out, somebody will write down or somebody will declare it, the people will be surprised that how foolish we are. How can a whole world was, they trapped whole world, people will get surprised. Okay, so I am giving you what is my calculation of the facts. So be careful, take care, and be strong with zero fear. I will come with something very fantastic again. Namaskar.